Hey guys, it's Brian here with the SoCo Customs YouTube channel, and welcome back. What we got today is a 2018 Chevy Silverado. This is the LT package. This one is going to be available over at Mike Maroney. There are still a lot of 2018s left, so now's the time to kind of steal a deal as they are changing over the 2019s. We lifted this truck 7 inches on the rough country kit, but this lift kit is a little bit different from what we do. We usually do the knuckle kit, but this time we actually did a bracket lift. The way that differs is whereas rough country would replace the knuckle to compensate for the additional height, the additional suspension travel, and the additional length of the strut. Instead, what this does is it takes the upper control arms and the lower control arms and drops them down at the same rate so that it just doesn't really change the angle from the factory. This also won't change your truck's track width out front, so you won't have to run spacers in the rear to avoid that sort of bulldog stance that you often get, especially with these Chevys when you lift them. The wheels that we put on here are a 20x9. They're the XD series Buck25s. They're a 0 offset, so they get a little bit of poke outside of the fenders on these 2018 Chevys. We wrapped that in a 35-1250 tire. Those are the AMP ATPs. So a great all-terrain tire, not too noisy, as you can tell by me driving right now. If you're interested in this truck, go on down to Mike Maroney. They'll be sure to hook you up with a great deal. And while you're watching this video, if you could hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel, we definitely appreciate it. We'll be bringing you a lot more content like this, explaining the different kinds of lifts and showing you what kind of tires you can get for your truck. Thanks, and have a great day.